Hi y'all, I'm Breezy, one half of We Heal Different and the creator of Free the Cheeks Twerk Church. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're gonna get into some basic pops. Let's get it. We're gonna start with some back pops, okay? The reason they call it back pops or up pops is because your ass is literally going back, 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 or think of the booty going up, 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 okay? So back pops can be done at all levels, but we just gonna do them standing for the sake of lighting, okay? So first, we're gonna start here. Real twerk team, shout out Miss Twerksome, Betty Butt, and Lady Luscious. We looked up to you bitches. Okay, so we start in here. And hands are interlaced behind the head. You're gonna take a nice bend. Feet are wider than the hips. Okay, and we are going 1, 2, 3, 4. You can even think of the knees coming in as you pop back. Okay, in, think of arching the back. Arch, arch, arch. Think of drawing from that pussy, line goes back, 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 or booty goes up, up, up. Again, if you can't just feel it here, be sure to use different parts of the body. They all support you. The knees are connected to the hips, the thighs, all of that. So when you shift this, this will move, okay? Let's do 8 back pops. From here to knees. 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At the knees, take it knees. 2, 3, 4, 5. If your booty clap, let it. 6, 7, 8. It's really free to cheeks. So if your cheeks is clapping, it's a round of applause. Good job, bitch. We doing a damn good job. Okay. That's our back pop. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. This was a cute little short snippet. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and circle back. Turn on our alert notifications so you can get the next video.